be brave enough and join ya. Till that I'm staying at the Victim Hotel. It gets deeper every time. It gets deeper every time.
Yes, of course, in Hong Kong, it's known for the film photography culture. You can see like the young generation is really enjoying it, and something surprising is that the new trend of film photography is already too old. Like they are using now like the tiny compact digital camera. Same as well in Japan. I've seen a lot of students using this.